Well, I'm super proud of me, boy. We just snuck in on a couple of billies from about a bit over 100 metres, and we got into about 60. The wind was really good, coming straight at us, and the big boy come with me and put the stalk on with me. We used the wind, we used a bit of cover, and yeah, it worked out beautifully. He was quiet, he was stealthy, he was staying low, and after I put some shots into the first one, we followed up to see where I heard him fall, so we went up to see where he'd fallen. Got up there and the other one was still hanging around. So big boy had to keep his nerve as we got within sort of 50 metres of him, and stuck him behind a tree and yeah, went up and checked, and the other one took off. But yeah, beautiful stuff. Shoot one. They're about 100 metres away. I'll see if I can get a bit closer because I've only got the 22. Right, I'll try and good, wasn't it? We snuck in on 2 billy goats.
Yeah, but we only shot like one.
We only shot one, yeah, but we got in from 100 metres into about 60 metres, and we used the wind and we used the cover, didn't we? And we were really quiet and stealthy like a ninja.
Yeah, but the other goat, it ran away.
It did run away, but you had to keep your nerve, didn't you? Because we had to go up and check if the first one was dead, didn't we?
Yeah, this is my first time. That was my first time sneaking up on a goat.
That's right, and you did
shooting one.
That's right, and you did a really good job, and I'm super proud of you.